Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different denominators, part 1. This video looks at adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Our first step is to find equivalent fractions for the fractions in the original sum. So example 1 is 1 over 3 plus 3 over 6. Because of this 6 here, we have to change this denominator into a 6, so we multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so the new fraction is 2 over 6. So we have 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, and that gives us 5 over 6. Remember, when the denominators are the same, just add the numerators. Example 2, 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8. Since that's an 8, we need to make that denominator an 8, so we multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, so we have 6 on 8 plus 5 on 8, which is 11 on 8. That's an improper fraction, and if you remember from previous videos, 8 into 11 goes once with a remainder of 3, so it's 1 3/8. Example 3. 4 over 5 plus 9 over 10. We need to make this denominator here a 10. So we multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So we have 8 on 10 plus 9 on 10 is 17 on 10. 10 into 17 goes once with a remainder of 7. So it's 1 7/10. Example 4, 5 over 6 minus 3 over 12. We need to make this denominator here a 12. Multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. So it's 10 on 12. Take away 3 on 12. 10 take away 3 gives you 7. So it's 7 over 12. Example 5, we have a half plus a quarter plus an 8. Now we can see that we need to make this denominator and this denominator an 8. Now without doing the working, let's see how we go. It's quite straightforward, because to make this denominator an 8, all we do is multiply top and bottom by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. To make this denominator an 8, multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we have those three fractions there. When we add them together, we get 7 over 8. 3 over 16 plus 4 over 8 minus a quarter. Because of that 16, each of these denominators need to be 16. To make this denominator here a 16, multiply top and bottom by 2. That gives us 8 over 16. To make this denominator here a 16, multiply top and bottom by 4. That gives us 4 over 16. So that's our new sum. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 take away 4 is 7. So that gives you 7 over 16. Example 7. We have two minus signs here, but we still apply the same principles. We need to make that denominator a 20 and that denominator a 20. So here we multiply top and bottom by 2. That gives us 2 over 20. Here we multiply top and bottom by 4. That gives us 8 over 20. So 13 over 20 minus 2 over 20 minus 8 over 20. 13 minus 2 is 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So it gives us 3 over 20. And that's the answer. Example 4. Here we have 4 fractions, but the principles are exactly the same. We need to make each of these 3 denominators here a 16. So let's start with the half. Multiply top and bottom by 8. That gives us 8 over 16. Multiply top and bottom by 4. That gives us 4 over 16. Multiply top and bottom by 2. That gives us 2 over 16. There are our new fractions. When you add all those together, we add the numerators together. That gives us 15 over 16. Example 9. Here are our three fractions. All denominators need to be 40 because of that 40 there. So let's start with 4 over 5. Now, as I said before, if you know your tables, this is easy. So if that 5 needs to change to a 40, we need to multiply it by 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. If that 10 needs to change to a 40, we multiply it by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40. For that 20 to change to a 40, it's easier to see that we need to multiply it by 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 20s are 40. There's our new sum. So if we have 32 plus 12 is 44. 44 take away 14 is 30. 30 take away 1 is 29. So the answer is 29 over 40. And the last sum, we have these different signs here, and we have 4 fractions. You can see now that each of those denominators there needs to be changed to a 60. So there's our original fraction. Now 11 over 30 is 22 over 60. Multiply top and bottom by 2. 7 over 15 is 28 over 60. Multiply top and bottom by 4. 1 over 4 is 15 over 60. Multiply top and bottom by 15. So we have the new fractions here. All denominators are the same. So 50 minus 22 plus 28 plus 15 gives us 79. 79 over 60. 60 into 79 goes once, and 19 left over. So the answer is 1 and 19 over 60.